Today is November 27, and we have started the selective harvesting of early maturing bean pods of this soybeans variety which came from the US, courtesy of my friend from Texas, Kobe Kriegshauser. We have to harvest at 89 days old sapagkat madalas ang ulan, and I'm afraid na kapag hindi namin inani ay baka masira yung mga bean pods. So ito po yung example ng size ng beans na ito. Malalaki talaga, and makikita nyo may mga spot na yung mga bean pods. Early indication ng fungal attack na kapag hindi namin inani ng maaga ay maaaring masira at masayang. So selective harvesting, pinipili lang yung mature na mga bunga, yun lang munang inuunang kunin para lang ma-save natin, and ma-ensure natin na meron tayong binhi na magagamit for the next planting season.